Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical mattress vacuum cleaner, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best mattress vacuum cleaner from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. JPHYLL Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the JPHYLL Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate solution for a cleaner, healthier sleep environment. This powerful corded vacuum features 16 kPa suction and 500 watt of power, enhanced by an innovative dual roller brush and expanded suction ports for double the cleaning efficiency. The unique quintuple tech combines UVC penetration, hot air dehumidification, and ultrasonic interference to eliminate 99.9% of unseen particles, ensuring your mattress is thoroughly cleaned. The advanced 5-stage filtration system, equipped with a HEPA filter, captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 micrometers, preventing clogging and maintaining optimal performance. Designed for safety, the UV light activates only when the vacuum is in use, protecting you from harmful leakage. User-friendly features include a one-button operation and a generous 16.5 feet cord for easy maneuverability. With a lifespan of up to 10 years and easy maintenance, the JPHYLL Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their sleep quality and comfort. Number 2. JIGOO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Meet the JIGOO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate ally in creating a cleaner, healthier living space. This powerful corded vacuum offers an impressive 14 kPa suction and high-frequency tapping technology to effortlessly eliminate fine dust and allergens from your mattresses, pillows, and carpets. With its advanced 254 nm UV wave and 140 Fahrenheit high heating, it ensures 99.999% allergen removal, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. Designed for efficiency, the JIGOO vacuum features a 3-in-1 cleaning mode that combines powerful tapping, suction, and UV light for a comprehensive cleaning experience. The long 16.4 feet cable and spacious 0.5-liter dust cup allow for extended use without interruptions. Cleaning is a breeze with the dual cyclone filtration system, which prevents clogging and tangling, ensuring easy maintenance. Built with durability in mind, this vacuum is designed to last over 10 years. Save time and enjoy a cleaner home with the JIGOO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, your go-to solution for effective and efficient cleaning. Number 3. Raycop RS Pro Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Raycop RS Pro Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, the ultimate solution for a cleaner and healthier living environment. With its pioneering UV vacuum technology, Raycop has sold over 8 million units worldwide, making it a trusted name in home sanitization. The RS Pro features a hospital-grade UV light that eliminates 99.9% of harmful substances, including bacteria and viruses, while its steamless heat function maintains a constant temperature of 158 Fahrenheit to kill dust mites and prevent their eggs from hatching. Designed with an upgraded HEPA filter, this vacuum captures particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring a deep purification of your fabrics. It's perfect for mattresses, bedding, couches, and carpets, efficiently sucking up pet hair, dander, and pollen. Safety is paramount with built-in IR sensors that automatically turn off the UV light when the vacuum is lifted off surfaces. Lightweight and easy to use, the Raycop RS Pro Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is your go-to tool for tackling unseen allergens and achieving a pristine, healthy home. Number 4. JIGOO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner with Dust Sensor. Introducing the JIGOO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner with Dust Sensor, your ultimate solution for a cleaner, healthier home. Powered by a robust 500-watt motor, this vacuum boasts an impressive suction power of 13 kPa, effortlessly lifting dust and pet hair from your mattress and carpets. Its main brush spins at a remarkable 13,000 RPM, ensuring thorough cleaning. One of its standout features is the smart dust sensor technology that automatically detects the dust level, providing you with a precise dust index and cleaning status. When the status light turns green, you know the job is done. Equipped with UV lights and ultrasonic technology, the JIGOO vacuum uses 245 nm UV rays to eliminate harmful allergens, ensuring a safe environment for your family. Additionally, it quickly heats to 130 Fahrenheit within 5 seconds to enhance sanitation. With a 16-foot power cord, you can easily reach every corner of your home. Experience the power of clean with the JIGOO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Number 5. DAVANPAL Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the DAVANPAL Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, your go-to solution for achieving a pristine sleeping environment. This powerful vacuum features a dual roller brush design, expanding the suction area for efficient cleaning. With a remarkable 16 kPa suction power and 30,000 RPM brush speed, it ensures deep cleaning on various surfaces, including concrete. Equipped with 5-fold technology, the DAVANPAL vacuum utilizes 257 nm UVC light, 140 Fahrenheit hot air, and ultrasonic waves to eliminate dust mites and allergens effectively. Its high-quality HEPA filter captures 99.99% of particles as tiny as 0.2 microns, ensuring cleaner air for you and your family. Safety is a priority, with a design that prevents UV leakage using a gravity-sensitive switch. The vacuum activates the UV light when pressed down and shuts it off when lifted, providing peace of mind during use. Lightweight at just 2 pounds, this durable vacuum is built to last up to 10 years. Enjoy a cleaner, healthier home with the DAVANPAL Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.